We know here that 4i is a zero of this polynomial. Because this is a complex number and this polynomial has only real coefficients, we know that its complex conjugate is also a zero. So the complex conjugate of 4i is negative 4i. Remember that the conjugate is simply where you change the sign in front of the imaginary part. So both 4i and negative 4i are zeros of this polynomial. That means that x minus 4i and x plus 4i are both factors. And we can multiply this all out, and we get x squared. And we're just distributing things here. X times x is x squared, and x times 4i is 4ix, and negative 4i times x is negative 4ix, and negative 4i times 4i is negative 16i squared. So now the I terms cancel, but the I squared is negative 1. So altogether, negative 16 times negative 1 is positive 16. So this is x squared plus 16. And that's a factor of this polynomial. So now what we need to do is just figure out what's left over if we pull that out. So we're going to go ahead and do a long division. We've got our 3x cubed minus 2x squared plus 48x minus 32. We divide by the x squared plus 16, and that will tell us our last factor. So let's get rid of that. 3x cubed divided by x squared is 3x. 3x times x squared is 3x cubed. 3x times 16 is 48x, and I should actually line that up with that x term there. And then we subtract. And the 3x cubed cancels. We have a negative 2x squared. 48x cancels, and then we bring the negative 32 down. And then we take negative 2x squared and divide by x squared, and that gives us negative 2. Negative 2 times x squared is negative 2x squared. Negative 2 times 16 is negative 32. And then we subtract. And that's the exact same, so we get 0, which of course is what we were expecting because we knew that x squared plus 16 was a factor of this polynomial. So our remainder should be 0 when we divide. This now tells us that our last factor is the 3x minus 2. So we know that our polynomial factors as x squared plus 16 times 3x minus 2. So we set this equal to 0. If we set 3x minus 2 equal to 0, we get, well, 3x equals 2, and then divide by 3, and we get x equals 2/3. So our zeros are x equals 2/3, x equals the 4i that was given, and the x equals negative 4i. And those are all the zeros of this polynomial.